I know a lot of you keep asking for demos, and I am going to do my best for you today. I would like everybody to please keep in mind, I am not a professional detailer. I don't pretend to be one, so please don't judge me on my skills. I am literally getting out here, demoing this product for you guys so that you can just see very quickly how it works and how easy it is to use. So, without further ado, the non-professional detailer over here is going to get started. I am going to use this product, so if somebody like me can use it, then hey, anybody out there should be able to use this stuff. So here we go. Let's check it out. What we always recommend doing first before you spray any chemical on any surface is to cool and wet the surface down. So just grab a garden hose, spray it down, make sure that it is nice and wet. Okay, here we go. The other thing that I will point out to you guys while I am spraying this down, you don't need a ton of product. Just coat it down, let it dwell for 20 to 30 seconds. And I'm gonna take this tire brush and I am just gonna scrub all the way around. And the color on this, you guys, it's a dark brown. That's not from any type of dye that's in the formula. It is all from a raw material. It's a surfactant basically that goes into the formula, and that is why it's the color that it is. So I'm actually going to take this, I'm going to get it wet in my little bucket of water here, and I'm going to come back around. I'm just going to kind of rinse this stuff off. You guys can see how much dirt is coming off of this tire, wheel, tire, all of the above. So this product works great on rubber as well as on your rim. Make sure that it's a clear coated rim. You don't ever want to use this product on any kind of aftermarket rim or wheel. Let me give it a good rinse. Done, it's clean, super easy. Like, if I can do it, you can do it. So I'm gonna let this tire dry, and we're gonna go up front, we're gonna clean some bugs, and then I'm gonna come back and I am going to actually demo our coverall tire dressing for you guys too. All right, so this has not sat on there very long, maybe 15, 20 seconds. This is a honeycomb scour. I've talked about these in some of my other videos. So this little guy, it's squishy, it's great for bugs. So I'm gonna take him, I'm gonna just dip him in a bucket of water, and I'm gonna come here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so easy. Like, so easy. Okay, all right, so literally like 10 to 20 seconds. I did not let it sit on there very long. I did not hardly have to scrub at all. And let's take our hose and rinse it off and see what we've got. I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna grab this, a little scrub spot. So you guys, I did not even spray any more chemical on there. Here's this half, this little corner that we just cleaned. And then if you pan over here onto the other side, that's what it looked like, you guys. We did one half and it went from that to that in, for real, like I don't even know, 15, 20 seconds. Super easy. I actually kind of enjoyed it. It was kind of fun. I see why, you know, detailers could get into this, because let me tell you that it was so satisfying spraying that chemical on there and having to hardly do any work and literally just seeing all of the bugs come right off. So the other thing that I want to point out, some people have come out and said that they have had some staining issues with this product. That's another reason why I chose a white vehicle. So we'll do a close-up. You guys can see there is absolutely no staining. If you use this product correctly, you're not gonna have any issues. Spray it off with water first, hit it, don't let it sit too long. Absolutely do not let this product dry onto your vehicle. Big no. So, I mean, this is so easy. It was kind of fun. Finished product, bugs are gone.